Hi, and welcome to the Specim IQ tutorial series. I'm Gail from Specim, and in this video I will show you how to import data into Specim IQ Studio either directly from your camera or from another location on a computer, network drive, or an external drive. If you're importing data directly from your device, you can either use a USB connection or the memory card. Let's start with the memory card. When you open up the battery compartment door, you can find the memory card located next to the battery. Press until you hear a small click, and the memory card can then be removed from the device. You can then insert it into the memory card reader on your computer. In IQ Studio, the connected memory cards are shown on the leftmost bar. Select the memory card to view the datasets in the card. You can choose and unselect individual datasets by clicking the datasets you wish to import. You can also choose to import all of the datasets by pressing the Select All button. The selected datasets will be highlighted with an orange border. Next, select Import from the burger menu on the right. A dialog about the import settings appears. First, you need to select a location where you wish to import the data. You can either select an existing catalog or create a new one from the burger menu. Let's create a new one and name it Apples. Use the default destination and press Save when ready. The new catalog appears to the My Catalogs list, where you can select it and see its contents. You have the option of adding global tags and description text to the imported datasets. You can also select to have the datasets automatically removed from the SD card after the import is completed. However, it is advised to delete the datasets manually after you have ensured they have been successfully imported to the Specim IQ Studio. Press the Import button to start the importing process. Importing data using the USB cable connection is quite similar. In this case, you need to have the memory card inside the Specim IQ and the camera needs to be turned on. Attach the USB cable into the camera and then onto your computer. After the import is complete, the data can be found from the catalog you selected during the import process. To view the contents of the different catalogs, select a catalog from the My Catalogs list. Thumbnail images for all of the datasets in the catalog will be displayed. To see more datasets in the same view, you can hide the My Catalogs list using the small arrow located next to the burger menu. The same button also makes it visible again. From the burger menu in My Catalogs, you can create new catalogs and also rename and delete existing ones. You can also remove a catalog from the list of catalogs without actually deleting the catalog and its contents. Select the catalog from the My Catalogs list and then select Remove from List from the burger menu. To add an existing catalog back to the IQ Studio, click Add to List from the burger menu. Browse to the folder with the name of the catalog and click Select Folder. After you select one or more datasets, you can see the management options available in the burger menu on the right. You can open a dataset in the Extended Dataset Viewer, cut and copy datasets between different catalogs, add global tags to them, or export and delete datasets. You can also open the dataset directly in the Identification Model Creator in order to use it as a training data for the model. You can also import datasets to an existing catalog from this menu, for example from your desktop, memory card, external drive, or a network drive. If you double-click on a single dataset, it will open it in the Extended Dataset Viewer. In the Extended Dataset Viewer, you can see the spectra of the targets. You also have the option of adding tags and seeing the dataset info. In the Research Data tab, you have the possibility of changing the default RGB values and see the spectral angle mapper mask for selected spectrums. You can also save references to your spectral library. In this video, we showed you how to import and manage your data in the Specim IQ Studio software. If you found this video useful, do give it a like, and please subscribe to the Specim Spectral YouTube channel to follow our tutorial series on the Specim IQ. See you in the next video.